Welcome to the basics of machine learning. Imagine stepping into a bright, modern digital classroom where a friendly AI professor greets you with a warm smile. Today, we'll discover how machines learn without being explicitly programmed. As the title Basics of Machine Learning fades in, you'll notice the clean, tech-inspired environment, soft glows, calming colors, and a sense of curiosity in the air. Our journey will help you understand not just what machine learning is, but why it's so important in today's world. Let's get started by exploring how computers can actually learn from experience just like we do. Ready to dive in? Let's zoom in and begin our exploration together. Now let's break down what machine learning really means. Picture our professor explaining while animated icons float beside them. Machine learning is all about computers learning patterns from data. For example, imagine a computer being shown lots of pictures of cats and dogs. Over time, it learns to tell the difference, just like a child learns to recognize animals by seeing them repeatedly. On screen, you'll see images being sorted and classified with the key phrase, machine learning equals computers learning patterns from data. This process allows machines to make predictions or decisions without being told exactly how to do it. It's a bit like teaching by example rather than by strict instructions. Let's look at the three main types of machine learning, each with its own unique approach. First, supervised learning. Here, the computer learns from labeled data. Think of emails marked as spam or not spam with arrows showing how input leads to output. Next, unsupervised learning. The computer groups similar data together without labels, like clustering customers by shopping habits. You'll see colorful clusters forming automatically. Finally, reinforcement learning. Imagine a robot playing a game, learning through trial and error and getting rewards for good moves. These animated slides make it easy to see how each type works and why they're useful in different situations. Why does machine learning matter? In our everyday lives, it powers things like voice assistants, recommendation systems, and even medical diagnoses. The ability for computers to learn from data is transforming industries, making processes smarter and more efficient. As you look around the digital classroom, imagine all the ways machine learning touches our world, from helping doctors spot diseases early to making your online shopping experience more personal. Understanding these basics is the first step toward unlocking a future shaped by intelligent technology. Let's wrap up with a quick recap and a look ahead to more advanced topics.